Yeah, man, I just want to show you how me look. This is my Jamaican roots tonic. I made this first night. We got cheney roots, guinea head weed, strongback, ginger, cinnamon, and a few other things in there. I have a few friends where I ball out for help. And say, Ross lady, please, can you help me with a tonic? I say, all right, then we go for my Jamaican tonic. My father used to do this all the time when I was a child. The house used to stink of herbs boiling, if you wash eye, if you kill worms, if you do all sorts of something. And for strength for him back as a 6 kids he have, 5 girls and a boy. So yeah man, them things they work. So if you're really in that position there and you want a little, top up, come check the Ras Lady for that. Alright? Jamaican Roots Tonic. Right here in Coventry. So let's go ahead and gather the ingredients. We're gonna collect our cheney roots, guinea head weed, ginger, strongback, cinnamon, lemon, and honey.